In the annals of feline history, one particular cat stands head and shoulders above the rest. No, I'm not talking about Garfield. Its name is the Sphinx, a creature with the body of a lion and the head of a human. The Great Sphinx is over 240 feet long and over 20 feet wide, and also is over 60 feet high. It is one of the largest monolithic statues in the world. Traditionally, the mainstream view held that the Great Sphinx was built during the reign of the pharaoh Khafre of the 4th dynasty of the Old Kingdom of Egypt, around 2500 BCE. This theory is supported by the fact that the Sphinx is located near the pyramid complex attributed to Khafre, and there is evidence linking the two structures. Some researchers propose that the erosion patterns on the Sphinx's body indicate the possibility of a much older age. And have you ever wondered why they built the Sphinx in the first place? Legend has it that the Great Sphinx was built by the ancient Egyptians to guard the pyramids and protect the secrets buried within. Well, I must say, they did a splendid job at keeping those secrets hidden. Because to this day, we still have no clue what those secrets are. And don't even get me started on all the conspiracy theories surrounding the Sphinx. Apparently, it holds the secrets of the universe, knows the true identity of the Loch Ness Monster, and has a direct line to the Illuminati. The Sphinx is supposed to guard the entrance to some hidden chambers or secret tunnels. Well, I hate to burst your bubble, but after thousands of years, we still haven't found anything significant under that thing. Newsflash, the Sphinx is just a giant stone statue. Just a lot of hype with no payoff. Let's not forget about the enigmatic missing nose of the Sphinx. Some believed it fell victim to a particularly fierce sneeze. Others blamed it on a failed attempt at rhinoplasty. Upon examination, the Sphinx's face shows that rods or chisels were hammered into the nose area, which were then used to pry it off. According to the most cherished legend, Napoleon Bonaparte and his army fired cannonballs with pinpoint accuracy aiming directly at the nose of the Sphinx. But experts studying ancient Egyptian artifacts have uncovered drawings predating Napoleon's expedition, revealing the Great Sphinx sans nose. These pictorial representations showcase the majestic monument in all its be-noseless glory. No one has the foggiest idea about what really happened. As the years went by, the Sphinx became more than just a statue. It became a marketing genius. It continues to attract tourists from far and wide, who come on with selfie sticks and a burning desire to be as unoriginal as possible in their photographs. Don't get me wrong, I totally understand why people adore the Sphinx. Its lack of fur and stoic expression are undoubtedly alluring, and its legendary status and enigmatic aura will continue to puzzle and mesmerize us. Or maybe it's just a fancy rock in the desert. You know what would make my day? If you could do me a huge favor and subscribe to my channel. I mean, who wouldn't want to be bombarded with notifications every time I upload a video about something completely random and irrelevant? Thank you for your support, and may the comedic gods bless your sense of humor.